Join me today as I clean my living room. On this day, and still, I was very sick. I cut out a lot of the trips to the bathroom, but I took a bunch of gravel and decided to tackle my living room so I wasn't so, I don't know, useless. Even though I had to call the day off work, I spent 45 minutes cleaning my living room so that I could just lay on the couch with my puke bucket and just exist in a dust-free environment. At the end here, you will see me sanitizing the light switches, the handles, and the remotes, just so that my husband has the least amount of chance to get sick because we both started new jobs last week, which is probably why we're sick. We went from spending no time around people to being around people for 8.5 hours a day. And I work in a grocery store, so I deal with all manners of people from our community, sick, not sick, children, and the elderly. Sorry. So you never know what you're going to pick up. But luckily, I was able to get some stuff done today before passing out in a cold coma for, I think, like 3 hours. I was useless for the rest of the day.